Okay, okay. Like to do this to me then, computer. This to me. Wow. Shame I can't do anything. No, I can't do anything. Oh, he did what I did. I'm just gonna score an own goal and it's gonna say in black. Well, I failed to do that just like I failed to score. But what is he doing? At least it wasn't an own goal. He also take the lead 1-0, which wasn't in the World Cup, and we technically won it. And I don't know why I'm saying we. And probably in 2 videos, maybe I will post them today. I'll tell you what team I'll support, because this is why I'm using France. This is why I'm using France, because I don't want to give it away. That's why. So I think I might hit it on the USA defender. So but I don't. I score, and they just give it away to me. But I'm just gonna be what's happening? But I'm just gonna be sensible and put it there. But makes nothing out of it. But at least what is he doing? Okay, put it there. Now I've just put him back. I don't think he can hit it. Oh yeah, yay! Okay, I had to put it there, and he needs to miss hit it. No, he hits it and nearly gets the goal, but I'm it there. Yay! Woo! But him. Scores, oh my gosh. Oh no. So, so the reason why I'm laughing, I'll tell you in the next episode. Joking. So, this boy, basically just my friend. Oh my gosh, I actually scored. Okay, sudden death. It doesn't say sudden death, but it is first to 3 on this game, so. And I will be playing another game next episode, so. Okay, that was a dead pass. And that's why it was. So guys, it's not the end of the episode. I'm just gonna switch, and if you want me to play this again, comment down below. Tell me what country to pick. But let me check what this one is real quick. Costa Rica. Okay. So it's Costa Rica. So I know the rules. Yep, score 3 goals to win. Yeah, if the ball does not leave a good position to be reset. Okay. I actually didn't know that one, but so no, don't need anything on settings. Just been 5 minutes 27, 5 minutes 29, I don't know. Okay, comment down below, let me, I think this is Bosnia, yeah, Bosnia. Yeah, the comment down below, what country shall I pick? Germany, I think this is Uruguay, this one right here. Ghana, Costa Rica, which I just checked, Brazil, Belgium, Colombia, England, France, Cameroon, Bosnia, Australia, Chile, I think this is Chile, yep, Chile, or if I'm pronouncing it, you tell me. So Chile, probably Algeria, or yep, Algeria. Algeria, Chile, yes, Chile, Australia, Argentina. I think this is Ivory Coast, Ecuador, Switzerland. Got to mention South Korea, Spain. I think that come back to that later. Japan, Italy, Portugal. I think this is Netherlands, Nigeria, Uruguay. That's Uruguay. So what's the other one? So this is not Uruguay, it's Greece. Sorry guys, it's Greece. So yeah, Greece. Yeah, Greece. On that page, yeah. Yeah, USA. Forgot Uruguay, Mexico, Nigeria, Netherlands, Portugal, Russia. Didn't know that was Russia's, honestly. Russia, Spain, South Korea, Japan, Italy, Iran, Croatia, Honduras, if I'm right. Yeah, I'm right. So, I'm still not done yet, but I won't tell you what we're gonna play on the next one. Maybe it could be a game start with F. Maybe it will be a game start ending with A. Maybe there's numbers in it. Maybe the numbers are 19. Oh, what will we be playing? I don't know. FIFA? Oh, who knows? PES? Who knows? But what I said first, the first game that I said we're playing. So, go back to the video. I'm joking, I'll just tell you now. We'll be playing some FIFA. Yeah, FIFA 19. And comment down below what teams to play. The one that I'm gonna might play, if not, comment down below. I might do Juventus for Real Madrid. I might play Juventus. So what now they can do is from a club celebration. I think it's called Respect. Yeah, I don't know. So peace, and yeah, in the next episode I'll be telling you what a support or quick goal. Then I'll end this video. So maybe wait, I'm just gonna do sudden death. First to one. Own goals don't count though, because I feel like that's just let's just let's just go. Let's just go. Let's just go. Let's just go first to 3. Or maybe first to 0 for me. Bye bye. Peace out. Haha, I'm not done yet. I second wanna be as well. I second wanna be as well. I second one today. I second wanna be as well. Yeah. You say I'm not done yet. Got to score 3 first. Okay, this is our last game that I'll do. Cause I think I just did 1 game. I'm not pretty sure. I think I forgot. But we're not doing 1 game. We're doing first to 2 goals. And I get back into the game and I have another opportunity to send this game home, and wow. I already know which team's gonna win this. Yeah, I should have hit that more powerful, but he should have, or else that would have been hitting me and into the goal, and he's gonna score. I already know from this moment, look. Actually, I think I might score. No? Switch player. If you guys didn't know I can do that, you can, and that. Who's he gonna hit it with? Okay, I'm gonna clear it big time. Joking. I'm just gonna to with another player. Oh my god. Oh, that. Oh, I need to clear it. But he's right in front of me, and he's gonna win by this. Actually, okay. What? Now.